What if your skincare routine could end with perfectly smooth, calm skin, without irritation or redness? Discover the invisible Brazilian wax, where comfort meets confidence. Traditional waxing can leave skin looking irritated or uneven. Even high-quality formulas sometimes struggle to keep skin calm and balanced. The search for a gentler, smoother experience has been ongoing. The invisible wax formula uses advanced polymers to provide a cooling sensation as hair is removed. Smooth hair removal without irritation. A modern approach designed for sensitive skin. This innovative formula combines calming botanicals with gentle polymers. It helps skin feel balanced and smooth immediately after waxing. The wax feels light, cooling, and virtually invisible as it lifts. Skin remains calm and refreshed, leaving a perfectly smooth finish. Many clients notice significantly less visible redness within minutes. Skin feels smooth, balanced, and comfortable, ready for the day ahead. This isn't just beauty. It's innovation designed for comfort and sensitive skin. Invisible Brazilian wax adapts to your needs, helping you leave confident and calm. Smooth, calm, redness-free. Before you even leave, subscribe to MTH Health for more real beauty innovations that truly work, because comfort is the ultimate luxury.